In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to a Trello board. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to choose the right permission so your teammates can start collaborating right away. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your boards. Once you're in, look for the Boards section in the navigation. Click Boards to view the list of boards you have access to. This is the quickest way to find the project you want to share. Next, select the board you want to invite people to. Click the board to open it. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and on the correct board, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Now, look to the top right corner of the board and click Share. This opens the sharing panel, which is where all invitations are managed. If you don't see the Share button, you may not have permission to invite others on this board, so you'll need a board admin to adjust your access or send the invites for you. In the invite field, start typing the person's email address or their Trello name. Trello will suggest matching accounts as you type. Choose the correct person from the list if you see them, or finish typing the email if they're new to Trello. If the person doesn't have a Trello account yet, they'll receive an email prompting them to create one before joining your board. Before sending the invite, set their permission to Member. Member access is ideal for day-to-day collaborators. Members can create and edit cards, move tasks through lists, and participate fully in the workflow. They won't be able to change board settings unless they're made an admin, which helps protect your board's configuration. If you're not sure, stick with Member for most teammates and reserve admin access for board owners. When you're ready, click Share to send the invitation. The person will get an email, and if they already use Trello, a notification. If your workspace has restrictions or billing rules for guests, double check with your workspace admin before inviting external collaborators. To add more people, simply repeat the same process. Type their email or name, confirm member permission, and click Share. After they join, you can assign them to cards, mention them in comments, and keep everyone aligned on next steps. That's it. You've opened the board, used the share panel, added the right people, and set the proper permission all in a few clicks.